we just got back from Sam's Club, Central Market, and Walmart. And it was so busy everywhere we went, but I wanted to take a minute, show you guys what we got. I found the big mega pack of toilet paper at Sam's. 235 sheets or something is what it says. Oh, 45 rolls. Got the 8-pack of Beyond Burgers. Big bag of oranges. I think this is 8 pounds. Yeah. We also got a 3-pound container of black seedless grapes. 2 pounds of strawberries. Some Gardein salad mix. This is a 2-pound bag of Gardein crispy tenders. I did not buy it like that. I did that a while ago. Big bag of these little baby potatoes. I love these. That's 5 pounds. Got coffee. It's like a variety pack. I got 2 bunches of bananas, some shampoo, and I found disinfecting wipes. Y'all, I'm gonna let my husband take 1 or 2 to work with him. So he can keep it in his LLV. And then I have some flavored waters and 2 cases of buys. These are so good, y'all. So that is our Sam's Club haul for the week. A little bit bigger this week than last week, but I saw those wipes and I had to get them, and the toilet paper, and an extra case of buys this week. So there we go. Alright, this is my Central Market haul for the week. Very small. I got 2 things of Clorox wipes because I had forgot that I actually ordered them. That's why I got more at Sam's. Plus half the time you don't even get those because they're usually sold out. These I actually got at Sam's and I forgot to include them. But they're cherry tomatoes. And they looked amazing. It's almost 2 pounds. I got some spinach pasta. I got some spinach bread to make like rolls and wraps and stuff like that. And then I found this dill pickle vegan ranch popcorn. So I am super excited to try that. It sounded really, really good. And it has very pretty packaging. I have 2 artichokes. And I also got some of this. These are yummy. I've had the puffs before and those were pretty good. The vegan Robs. So I'm excited to try this style. I haven't had these yet. I got Mom a bouquet of flowers. For Central Market quality, I'm kind of not impressed. A lot of it just doesn't look that good. But they were $15 and I didn't have to go in the store to get them. But Central Market usually has better quality flowers than this. Kind of surprised. Let's see what else. I got one of these drinks. These are really fun to drink. This one's melon. I haven't tried the melon. I've tried the grape and I liked it, so I thought I'd try that. I got some green onions, some ranch dressing, mint chocolate chip ice cream from Nanamu. That's my favorite dairy-free ice cream, made in Austin, Texas. Delicious stuff. I got some basil. This is a dairy-free cream cheese. It has chives. It's really good. And I got Mom some of these chocolate truffles. These are amazing. They are so good. And some soy creamer. So that's our Central Market haul for the week. Kind of small. Mainly a lot of little snack foods. that you just can't get small packages of at Sam's and stuff. But there you go. This is our Walmart haul of the week. Very small. So I've never had these, but hubby picked these up. Energy. Oh, they're sparkling. Honey. Not honey. Why did I even say honey? Orange pineapple, black cherry. Those look yummy. And then he gets these a lot. The VA Energy pomegranate blueberry, black cherry, and pomegranate blueberry. There's one that's coconut pineapple that I really like. Really good. I got a couple of yogurts for Mom. I had to get my avocados at Walmart because they were nowhere else. We tried to get corn and apples too, and nowhere had what we were looking for. Wild purple smash, green berry smash, or rush, and oh, Jolly Rancher green apple. He takes these at this lunch for his waters. Creamers. We got a green machine and blueberry. Why do I keep saying all these wrong? Strawberry banana. So, super small. I'm excited about trying those sparkling drinks though. Those look pretty good. So, what are y'all's go-tos at Walmart when you have to go to Walmart? We have to get these, like creamers, at Walmart because Central Market doesn't carry them any longer and Sam's Club doesn't, so we go to Walmart.